Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this professional hair trimmer and a T-blade trimmer kit for men by Slopehill, Slopehill. It's a cordless barber hair trimmer with LED display. It's a precision hair trimmer and a beard trimmer set for men. It's available in gold, in silver, and in black, as shown here. And it comes with the K35S and the I35S, both with lithium-ion batteries. Ooh. Runtime is 2.5 hours. It's our hair clipper, a trimmer, a brush, a trimmer, and everything included. It's pro-tested, created for all. Adjustable blade clipper can adjust the cutting length from 0.5mm to 2mm and easily cut all hair types and length. The T-blade trimmer is suitable for trimming hair such as moustache, sideburns, goatees, stubble, and other face and body hair to hair earth. We can be infinitely creative, be it for professional hairdressers or for home use. And precision stainless steel blades here. This man's bird trimmer has industry-leading precision blades. The movable and the standing stainless steel blades with a precision gap deep close to the skin does not pull between heavy and thick hair types. And guiding powerful rotary motor. The professional hair trimmers uses the top motor with 5-speed settings and up to 7,000 rounds per minute. And it does not produce too much noise during the operation, so we can enjoy the trimming in a low environment. And the built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides a battery life of up to 150 minutes with 2 hours of charging time. High performance can be achieved anywhere. We can easily maneuver the wireless hair scissors. And the ultra-high resolution LED display shows the battery power and reminds us of charging when the battery is almost empty. The hair clippers use non-slip design on the surface to give us perfect control. And as you can see, we have 12 different comb attachments. This man's long hair trimmers is equipped with 12 guide combs: 3, 6, 10, 13, 16, 19, 22, and 25mm. The T-blade trimmer is equipped with 4 guide combs: 1.5, 3, 4.5, and 6mm. We can easily adjust the comb to the correct height and cut out the desired hairstyle. That's an inner gift here. It's a set for a man. It's the best gift for a father, a husband, boyfriend, and son. It has everything they need for a high-quality haircut and a great styling kit for a man for a hassle-free grooming experience at home or on the go, baby. We do not disassemble the product, of course. The hair clipper cannot be washed, so we keep it away from wet conditions. And the product can only be cleaned by cloth with a little water or milk soap solution. That's professional style. And we do not charge the product under environmental above 40 degrees Celsius or below 0. The product can be produced a little heat during the using of charging, which is normal, of course. We remove the battery safely and return it to the specific place when the battery runs out. Never discard it casually, of course. But this is in the future. We have or can make a blade alignments. Our clippers were carefully examined to ensure that the blades were oiled and aligned before leaving the factory. Blades must be realigned if they have been removed for cleaning or replacement. To realign the blades, we simply match the blade's teeth up, and the end of the top blade teeth should be approximately 0.5 up to 1mm back from the bottom blade. We compare our clipper's blade with the sketch in the instruction manual, so we can see it how it should look like. And if the blade alignment is correct, we add a few drops of oil to the blade. We turn the clipper on a few moments. We turn off and unplug it. We loosen the screws slightly and adjust them. We tighten the screws after the blade is aligned. Job's done. And the cut and maintenance is really easy. To maintain our clipper, we in a peak condition, the blade should be oiled every few haircuts. To oil it properly, units should be held so the blades are in downward position, with the clipper's blade running. Dispense 2 or 3 drops of oil across the top blade. Job's done. That it is. It's really easy. And of course, we can remove the bottom blade holes. Then we change off the blade screws. When the blade screws are loosened, the bottom blade and the can be aligned with the tight after the blade is aligned itself. So we can make an adjustment of the blade itself. And we have a tapper lever. Some clippers are equipped with an adjustable tapper lever that change the closeness of our cut. When the lever is in upside position, the blades will give the closest cut. We're pushing the lever downwards. That's gradually increase the cutting length. And we have a lot of concepts you can see in that set. It comes from 3 up to 25 millimeter. And the comb installation is really easy, as you can see. And then you can make a good job with your main center haircuts. The motor is an operating voltage 3-volt high performance motor with 2000 milliamp hour lithium-ion battery. The charging time is about 2 hours. The operation time is about 3 hours. The input is 100 up to 240 voltage, and the output is 5 volt. And then we can easy peasy make a good job with that. Easy peasy professional hair clippers. One is the T-clipper and one is the big hair clipper with a lot of additional parts included. That's the professional hair trimmer and T-blade trimmer by the brand is Slopehill. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun sun.